Hey everybody, Coach Robin here. I'm going to go over a couple of strongman movements today. I know we've been using a lot of awkward objects lately with trying to find stuff in our homes. So I'm going to go a little more specifically over what that can look like and maybe put some variation in your movements. So I've got a 5-gallon jug and that's partly filled with water. I left it a little bit empty just so there'd be more movement in the object and a little more core work and stabilization that would need to happen. So the first movement I'm going to do is a ground to shoulder movement with my awkward object. So I'm going to tip my jug to the side. I've got my hand on the handle and then on the bottom. So with my hips down low, my knees bent, I'm going to bring it up to the lap position and get as solid of a grip on it as I can. From here, I'm going to lift the hips and bring it up to the shoulder. So bringing the hips through quickly and strongly, popping it up onto the shoulder and bringing it back down. The next one, I'm going to bring it up to a front rack position. That way from the front rack, I can do overhead presses and have the effect of like an earthquake bar. So again, it's going to be the same kind of grip to get it up to my lap. Got it tipped to the side, hand underneath, squatting down, standing it up, bringing it to my lap. This time I'm going to get a grip so I can bring it to the front of my shoulders. So hips up and come through. And I've got it in like my front rack position. From here, I'm bracing my core, squeezing my glutes, and pressing up overhead. What I like about this is I get the movement from the water and I can feel my shoulders and my core having to just stabilize a little bit differently. So hopefully that will bring some fun variation into your movements. You could also use sandbags if you have those. Got some potting soil, or you could use cat food, dog food bags, and the like. So hope you're having fun with these things, and for rounds and reps you could do like 4 rounds of 8 to 10 reps each. If it's a much lighter weight and that doesn't feel like enough, you can always increase the repetitions. Stay well and see you soon.